we're going to explain how to check the encoding of a CSV file. Knowing the encoding is crucial because it determines how your computer interprets the characters in the file. Incorrect encoding leads to garbled text or errors when you try to open or process the file. There are several ways to identify the encoding. 1. Using a text editor. Many text editors, like Notepad++, Windows, Sublime Text, cross-platform, or Atom, cross-platform, automatically detect the encoding of a file when you open it. Look for an indication of the encoding, for example, UTF-8, Latin 1, ASCII, in the editor's status bar or within its file information dialog. This is often the quickest method, especially if you only need to check a single file. However, it relies on the text editor's detection capabilities, which might not always be perfect. 2. Using the Chardet library in Python. For a more robust and programmatic approach, especially when dealing with many files or needing to automate the process, use the Chardet library in Python. This library analyzes the file's byte sequence and attempts to infer the encoding with a high degree of accuracy. First, install it using pip install Chardet. Then use the following code. Python import Chardet with open your file.csv rb as f, hash open in binary mode, result =Chardet.detect f.read, print f detected encoding, result encoding, confidence, result confidence. Replace write single quote your underscore file.csv quote write, single quote with your actual file name. The output shows the detected encoding and a confidence score, a number between 0 and 1, indicating the certainty of the detection. A higher confidence score suggests a more reliable result. 3. Inspecting the file header, BOM. Some encodings, like UTF-8, can include a byte order mark, BOM, at the beginning of the file. This BOM is a special character sequence that identifies the encoding. You can use a hexadecimal editor, a program that shows the file's content in hexadecimal code, to check for the presence of a BOM. If you find one, it provides a strong indication of the encoding. For example, UTF-8 BOM is represented as EFBBBF in hexadecimal. However, the absence of a BOM doesn't necessarily mean the file isn't using a particular encoding. 4. Contextual clues. If you know the origin of the CSV file, this can offer clues about its encoding. Files created on systems using specific regional settings might often use particular encodings. For example, files from Western European systems might use Latin 1. However, this is the least reliable method. Remember to always back up your files before attempting any encoding conversion, as incorrect conversion can result in data loss. The combination of using a text editor for a quick check and Python's Chardet for a more accurate analysis is often the best approach for determining the encoding of your CSV file.